Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I wanted to change this piece, which is a sensor and it is responsible for leveling the truck semi-trailer. So I got a new one. It works that this control lever is moving when you want to level the truck. So when I put it like this, you can see the old one here has something in plus which we cannot find here at the new piece. So over the night it loses the air, because when I wake up in the morning the air system doesn't have enough air, and it needs to be changed because the whole system, truck system, is pneumatic. The whole leveling and the braking system is pneumatic, so it has to be changed because it can affect the braking system also. But not today, because we have to change the piece. So I have something in more to change. Let's go there. I'm going to go somehow out of here, and let's meet at the truck. Hello again. Right now we are at the cabin and we have to change some bushings. They look like this, and I'm going to show you exactly where we have to put. So as you can see, we have to change, it's really necessary, this, because we don't even have a bushing. But here is the new one and I don't think I can replace it, so we have to tilt the cabin, so we are going to have a bigger space. So let's tilt it. Oh, and I forgot to say, I have a helping hand. Say hi. Okay, so I searched this key a long time. Finally I have found it, so we can start the tilting. A very important fact: before you start tilting, you always have to open this door, because if you don't open it, it's going to break. And another important thing, you have to put everything so it won't fall off in the cabin when you are tilting. So I have done that. Let's tilt it. So let's check it. So as you can see, it do not enter. We have to do a little more. When you are going to tilt more, it is going to be heavier, so you have to eat breakfast. So let's check it. It should be enough. Okay, as you can see, we have the space. It is going to enter. Okay, so now I'm going to need key 13, but I don't see it here, so I'm going to search it. I have put somewhere here, so just a second. Found it before I've tried, so I've put here, there, and okay. Okay, now's the time for this to fall off, so I'm going to search it an hour. I don't believe it. Okay, so we are going to need this, but not to brush my dog. what to clean the surface of the where the blushing comes. So just you can see this is the difference of the old blushing and the new blushing. This is what have left. So we are going to change it now because it's really the time. So come on. I think it's going to be okay. So let's see. Okay, it enters. Okay, so now we are going to put this piece. New and so let's see the other one. The other side was more comfortable. It didn't fall, and now as you can see it doesn't want to come off. I'm going to take this piece if I can, and the other one I have to take it forth. Came off. I think the difference is very beautiful. So, yeah, it is very hard. You can't really push with your hand, and here you doesn't really have what to push. So let's put it. First, we have to okay, now okay, so let's put it. Okay, now the key. And one more, and it is good. Okay, I think it looks pretty. So now we have to tilt back the cabin, and we're going to see what we have done. So at the minor task like this, I don't really use gloves because you don't really feel what you're doing because of the gloves. So I'm doing it by hand. So let's tilt back the cabin. So here we have a switch, and it switches between tilting the cab and tilting back to its place. It's exactly situated here. So I'm going to switch it back, and after I'm going to tilt back the cabin to its place. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay. Okay, so it's done. I'm going to take everything from here. I'm going to close the lid and I'm going to go home. So thank you for watching my video and see you the next week. Bye bye.